Kate here with WTI. Now, if you are an outdoor enthusiast and you want to be able to have camping chairs that are extremely portable, you have to check out this set from TRATHM. Now, there's a few things that make this just unbelievable. Check out how tiny they are. You can bring these anywhere. They fit in the back of our quad. You can even throw them into a backpack. They are so compact and lightweight. They take shape really easily. You just pop the poles into place. Very cool. And then of course you put the sleeve on top. It has mesh pockets so you can store your things. The case itself attaches underneath the chair so that you're not losing it. They're nice and sturdy and very comfortable and will make your camping experience so much better. These chairs allow you to be spontaneous. You can easily keep them in the back of your car or anywhere where you're on the go. I love that I can always have a set of chairs ready for whenever we want to do something fun, and that's my point of view.